Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. I'm Grow with Kevin. Today I will be walking you through how you can create an international TikTok account with just your smartphone wheresoever you are, be it in Africa, maybe you are resided in a country where TikTok monetization is not allowed. But in this video I'm going to walk you through. You will create your international TikTok account without using any VPN, just your mobile phone and your internet connection. That's all. So stay tuned till the end of this video and see how I was able to get this result.
So guys, when you open your TikTok account, you see an interface like this. This account you're seeing is an international TikTok account already, but for the sake of this video I want to create another international TikTok account. So what I will do is I will take this drop down here. I will take add account. We'll just take sign up. So if you see, they said by continuing with an account located in Cameroon, you agree to our terms of service. So this CM here, we'll click on this CM. Whatever country your own will be it Nigeria, Kenya, whatsoever. So my own is showing Cameroon because I'm in Cameroon. So there we'll click on that CM. So now we want to change this Cameroon to a country that accepts TikTok monetization. So we'll take United States as our country of residence. Now our location is US. If you check here, you see that it has changing from CM to US. That's from Cameroon to US. So what we'll do now is we want to, the first option TikTok is giving us is for us to create this account using a phone number. We'll continue with email. That's our email. We'll take continue. So TikTok will send an OTP to that email account we just put. Alright, so you see that TikTok have sent us a verification number. So we'll click on the verification number. So we'll just click on this verify email. So now it asks us for a password. So create a strong password. Remember, your password should carry this one special character. You see what they gave us here. It's either use @ or use hash, use question mark. Yeah, so we'll look for one special character now and add to our password. We take continue. So it asks us for a date of birth. Remember, put your date of birth. For you to be eligible for monetization, you must be above 18 years. So after putting our date of birth, we'll take continue. So now it asks us to put our nickname. That's how we want our channel to be called. And make sure your name should be related with your niche. So in the case of the tutorial, I'm going to use Grow with Kevin. So after putting this Grow with Kevin, you hit continue. our TikTok account has been created. So now what we need to do is to go on our profile, so we'll see our name and every detail we used. That's our TikTok account has been created from scratch to finish without using any VPN. Now they're asking us to do a quick security checkup, so we'll just take continue. They want us to like check our security and if we can put some other third-party security for our account not to be hacked. So I advise you can do that with your quiet time. So what we need to do now is we want to check our account. So we'll come to this three dot up here. We'll click on that three dot. So we'll go on YouTube Studio, TikTok Studio, sorry. You can see our account is fully created and is eligible for monetization. You can see here we have US and you can see the monetization icon. If you want to know more, you can watch this video. This video I show you the requirement for monetization and also to check the details about your monetization.